511. That's the number of days India has been in lockdown for ever since the pandemic hit us. I've not seen my college for over a year now, and I think that's the case for every student across the globe. But here's the thing about students and especially youngsters now. Whatever life throws at us, be it as big as the pandemic itself, we adapt quite quickly. So here is my day in the life of an engineering student in lockdown. I was actually thinking of recording this video for a long time now, and I think today is the perfect day for it because it's a holiday, and that means I don't have any online college lectures. By the way, you might already be knowing this, but currently I'm in the third year of engineering, out of which almost 2 years was spent in lockdown. With this video, I actually want to do something that has never been done on this channel, and that is to take you through the behind the scenes of my videos. Apart from my videos, I'll also be showing you my entire day, how it all goes. Of course, it's 4 in the evening already, so it won't be the entire day. But yeah, so this is the behind the scenes. Let me just take the camera off. So here is the lighting, then there's the laptop that I'll be using for editing my videos. By the way, this is the first time I'm revealing this background. I'm using this background. Actually, this is my hall itself. If you like this background, then do tell me because I'm thinking of using it more often. Other than that, I also have to go to the gym now, so hopefully we'll see you there. Bye. So I thought of giving you guys a quick sneak peek of how my body looks before and after the gym. So this is my body before the gym. Here is the triceps, then there's the biceps and my abs. So that's how it looks before the gym. We'll do one more when I come from the gym as well. So instead of getting you bored with this workout video, I thought I'll take over the audio. But before I begin, I think I should play some motivational music over this part. I think that is more than what I was looking for. We need to dial it down a bit. Let's try with this one. Sounds perfect. So today was my CST or my chest, shoulder, and tricep day. I've divided my entire workout into these three main segments: the push, pull, and leg workouts. So, right now in this video that you're watching, I'm doing the push workout. Tomorrow, I'll be doing the pull workout, which mainly consists of the back and biceps, and then after that would be my leg day. If you want to follow me on my fitness journey, you can always follow me up on Instagram. I post content over there as well. So I'm finally back from the gym. It was quite tiring. My body is quite tired. It was quite a productive day for me today. I did a couple of projects. I completed my assignments. I recorded this video, of course. I went to the gym, met a couple of friends. I also will be working on a couple of projects right now, um, and a website for a client as well. So we'll be building that. And before I forget, do press the like button. Do subscribe to this channel by pressing the bell icon so that you don't miss any new updates. And here are the after gym snaps. That's the tricep and the bicep, and here are the abs. So yeah, that's it, and I hope you like this video. Well, I haven't gone yet. I first thought I'll record myself studying, but then I realized I don't have anything to study for. I don't have any exams coming up, and my college has just started, so there isn't a lot I can study. So here I am completing some of my projects, and right when I was doing that, I got to know about a scholarship program a college has started. The form was actually 10 pages long, and I'm not even exaggerating. So now you're just watching me fill it up. If I get that scholarship, I'll definitely let each one of you know, especially for watching me fill those 10 long pages up. That's the least I can do. Okay, I'll admit it, I'm just trying to get a longer watch time and increase the duration of this video. I should probably slow my voice down. Maybe that'll help increase the video's duration. So we're done with the work. I completed one of the projects and I applied to a scholarship that is being offered in my college. So yeah, I applied there. It was quite a long form actually. Had to fill up a lot of details, and it's quite late. I'll probably go to sleep and see you in the next videos then. Bye bye.